Hello 5th class, this is an alternative way to do question 7. This time I've changed 0648 into 6:48 AM. So if he got up at 6:48 AM, then by the time I got to 6:48 PM, that was 12 hours. So the next jump I'm going to take, I'll get to an easy number. So let's go to 7 PM. So from 48 to o'clock would be 12 minutes. And then the next jump is from 7 to 7:40 PM, which is another 40 minutes. So altogether I can see there's 12 hours there that he was awake, and 40 plus 12 is 52 minutes. So I get the same answer.